I think they're brilliant because they're actually in much greater control of the bike than we ever were. Anyway, so this is what it's called, Manchester Biker. Oh, I am a Manchester biker of the pedalling variety. I don't need any petrol, I've got my motor ability. South of the city is nice and flat, it's the north that has the hills, and I've got plenty of long straight roads on which to hone my skills. I am a Manchester biker of the anarchist fraternity. I never stop at traffic lights, it's way beneath my dignity. I never signal with my hands or give a warning shout, and if I'm turning right or left, well, I'm sure you can work it out. I think all careful cycling is for those who are under 5. I fill my pockets with my hands, it makes me feel alive. You see me riding down the road with such studied nonchalance, always with my eyes ahead to show my utter confidence. 'Cause I'm a Manchester cyclist, I know about relativity. The highway's packed with plenty of cars, but I'm a singularity. You'll never hold me in a jam or catch me on my feet. I'll keep my two wheels turning, however packed the street. So whether it's park or pavement or the middle of the lane, I love to hear you beeping me and to know that I'm a pain. I'd sooner ride right over you than follow some wide diversity. It's no good shouting as I pass, I'm deaf to all discourtesy. South of the city is nice and flat, it's the north that's got the hills, and I've got plenty of open space to magnify my thrills. 'Cause I'm a Manchester biker, as you know, of the pedalling variety, and I don't need the likes of any of you, I've got my own notoriety. There you are.